Although Windows 11 does not give you the same flexibility in personalizing your screen as previous versions, it is still possible to change the alignment of your toolbar icons. And with this step-by-step guide, we will show you exactly how to do that. Now by default, your taskbar will be aligned to the center of the bottom of your screen. So to change the alignment, you have to right-click on the taskbar, select Taskbar Settings from the option, and this will open the settings. Then you have to scroll down to the page until you see Taskbar Behaviors. Now under Taskbar Behaviors, find Taskbar Alignment, then you can select the arrow to the right that will show you both alignment options, which are left and center. Now you can select the alignment option you want. Just take note that when you select either left or center, the taskbar alignment at the bottom of the screen will change immediately. But if you have Windows 10 or earlier versions, you can right-click on an empty area of your taskbar, select Taskbar Settings from the context menu, then in the Taskbar Settings window, find the drop-down menu for Taskbar Location on Screen. Then you can select left, top, or right from the drop-down menu to move the taskbar in your chosen location. Now that's how you can move your taskbar to the top, left, or right of the screen on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.